And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to another episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the 1/144 RG Real Grade Wing Gundam Zero Endless Waltz. Yes, this is the Gundam Zero from the Endless Waltz movie, wherein they introduced the Angel Wings to Gundam Zero. As you can see here in the box art with Gundam Zero Endless Waltz here. And close-up look at his noggin. Off to the side, we see RG. Some details of the RG. We still see the inner frame here, and of course the gimmicks, or rather the very famous gimmick that we have for the Endless Waltz Wing Gundam Zero. And Wing Gundam Zero here fully assembled. Off to the other side, we see some stuff that we can do with him and some details. Now let's see and open what's inside the box. Oh, I got freebies. So first off, we have here one bag with the dry transfer sheet, all gray, and then the all white, the wings. Ooh. Another bag here with a multicolored sprue, some all gray, actually two multicolored sprues here. One more bag with all white and all gray. Another bag with all white and all gray. Yep, and of course we cannot forget the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. And first off, we have here the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some dark blue, some yellow, and some white for the Endless Waltz Wing Zero. We then again have the infamous B sprue here, which is the inner frame sprue. Like I said in my previous video, I'm not sure until when they have this sprue, but they did. And we have another multicolored sprue here, which is the C sprue. We have some clear green, some clear white here, some red, and some more blue, dark blue there. We also have a D1 sprue here, which is all gray, which would support mostly of the inner frames as well. D1 also comes with a D2 here, which is some part of D1 that needs to be replicated or duplicated. We have the E1 sprue here, which is very clear that this is where most of the part of the wings are. And of course, a E2, which a part of the E1. Okay, we still have a continuing white sprue here, which is the F. So still more parts for the wings, and of course I think some more parts for the armor there. And lastly, we have the G sprue here, which is all gray, and we see the twin buster rifle over there. Yep. And let us not forget the dry transfers for the Wing Zero Gundam Endless Waltz. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the RG 1/144 Gundam Wing Zero Endless Waltz. Yes, the Angel Wing Gundam of Hiro Yui, and the most badass, for me, version of Wing Zero. So this is Mixer War saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, hitting that notification bell, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.